A normal human liver plays a multitude of roles because it controls so many different metabolic functions. Cirrhosis, as seen here, interferes with these functions because scar tissue replaces healthy liver cells. Most often, this results from sustained excessive alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis B and C, and fatty liver disease, although other causes are possible. Cirrhosis often has no signs or symptoms until liver damage is extensive. As cirrhosis progresses, more and more of the following possible symptoms will begin to appear. Yellow discoloration in the skin and eyes, also known as jaundice. Abdominal swelling. Fatigue and frequent drowsiness. Bleeding or bruising easily. Reduced appetite and weight loss. Nausea. Swelling in your legs. Cognitive difficulties and frequent confusion, unusually itchy skin, spider-like blood vessels on your skin, redness in the palms of the hands, testicular atrophy in men, breast enlargement in men. The purpose of this video has been to provide a quick basic list of cirrhosis symptoms. For more in-depth information, click on the links below this video screen. And always depend only on a qualified medical professional for a diagnosis of any health problem.